Welcome to NFTs Alley, your go-to marketplace for buying, selling, and exploring digital collectibles. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the platform and show you how to get started with your first NFT. Let's dive in. Okay guys, now we will connect to our MetaMask wallet. Our wallet is connected now. Here is our wallet NFT section. Here is our offer made section. This is offer received section and listed NFT section. And this is our activity section. Alright guys, we will now demonstrate the process of listing both of our NFTs on the NFTs Alley marketplace using account 1 of our wallet. Then, we will switch to account 2 to purchase one of the NFTs directly. For the second NFT, we will submit an offer from account 2, which will then be accepted by account 1. This scenario will showcase the complete listing, purchasing, and offer acceptance workflow on the platform. Okay guys, now we will list our both NFTs. One NFT of our wallet from account 1 listed successfully. Second NFT also listed successfully. Now we will switch to account 2 of our wallet for purchase of NFT and to make an offer for a NFT. Account 2 of our wallet connected successfully. Now we will buy the second NFT which we had listed from account 1. And then we will make an offer for first NFT, which we had listed from account 1. The wallet NFT section shows my purchased NFT of account 2, and offer made section shows the offer we had made from account 2. Now we will switch to account 1 to accept an offer which we had made from account 2. Now we will move to offer received section to see the offer received from account 2. Then we will accept the offer. This way account 2 will receive this NFT. NFT offer accepted successfully. And that's a wrap on this NFTs Alley tutorial. I hope this walkthrough helped you understand how to explore, buy, and sell NFTs with confidence. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more NFT content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Happy collecting!